Huan.
Urutan nomor. Mari kita cek ya. Nanti
Airpods Pro. Huawei Band phone.
Okay, nice.
Hello everyone, this is Frank Wang from Beston Group, and today it is my great honor to introduce our Smash the Golden Egg. So as you can see, there are so many eggs in our table. We will hold this activity 2 weeks one time. If you place an order from the June 6th to the July 7th, and you can enjoy one-time lucky draw. In the lucky egg, there are so many rich for prize, like mobile phone and Apple Airpods Pro and some MiBand Apple Watch. They are very rich for. If you place an order and your project consultant will reserve your time in advance, and he will help you to do this action. And after that, the gift will be transported to you by the courier. By the way, there is no empty prize, so everyone could be the lucky dog. So are you ready? Let's get it.